again. This time with a holiday themed box. Let's see what she's got this time. And right out of the gate, we've got a sticky pad. I'm sure these will be all over the refrigerator soon. Probably to help me out with a grocery list. The first family here. Our little goodie cards reminding us of the live parties, which I always see her watching, and then it's funny because I see her watching those, and then about 20 minutes later, I get a thank you for your order message on my email account. I didn't order anything. I wonder who did. This is the coin pouch. I don't think this is like the heart one where the change falls out. This is the one that makes more sense. I have no idea. What kind of bag is that? Triple pocket beast of something in brushed olive. Is that a thing? That would be my guess if I was gonna name it. Okay. Soft line pocket. Is that, or is that just a normal pocket? And some kind of confetti pattern liner on the inside. Pocket number 2. Bigger gusset. You know, one associates confetti with a party, but I don't feel very festive. Even with the nice mariachi themed Christmas music in the background. It's never a party when these boxes show up. Moving on. Alright, so it's got pockets. Looking at more pockets. Ooh, wait, is that? Oh, I love those. The magnetic clasp. So satisfying. You know my favorite of all time is the one on the flapper. Those are acceptable. Central pocket. More confetti. And debris being removed from the inside. I don't think anybody stores pencils like that, but if you wanted to, you could certainly lay them on their side in this bag. Ah, yes, tissues. Those are there for me so that I can dab my eyes from the tears of discovering more bags have shown up at the house. Ah, of course there wouldn't just be one. We have to have the other colors as well. It's necessary. It's for the collection. It's for the edification of the masses. It's so everyone can see and experience and be able to know which bags will be best for them. These are the reasons that I'm given. These are kind of like fall colors. Yes, it goes with our other little zippy bag. They are the same color. Look at you. You've got an eye for this. Oh, is this the second box? Oh, wow. Because there couldn't just be one box. I should pay more attention when the alerts come for the security cameras. I like the Nutcracker theme on there. Oh, what is that? That was too fast for me to see what that's called. What does it do? What does it do? Open it up. Oh, it's got a mirror. Makeup case of some sort. Put your brushes in there so that you can do your makeup and then put on your house bag and not go anywhere. Oh, and it's got a cute little handle. This is a thing, and it scrunches up, I suppose, so that you can stand it up on the counter and then never close it again so it takes up space. Who would do that? Nobody does that, really. No one takes up an entire bathroom counter with their makeup. I don't know anybody like that. What is it? I have terrible eyesight. That's why I'm wearing my glasses. Okay. Another cat-themed notepad. Coops, are they? I think that's a coupe. It looks like a house bag to me. And then we've got, is this camo rose? Camo leopard? I don't know. This music is really catchy. It's very festive music. Is this... Okay, these are coupes, right? This looks like every other girl's notebook in 3rd grade. You know, the big padded notebooks that they had? You know, the rose art themed ones. This is like some kind of under the sea. I lost my train of thought. It's too bad we don't have a choo-choo. And here we've got the lineup from the unboxing. And pencils and notepads and a little coin pouch. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tolerating me. And for my loyal fans, I know I'm the real reason that you watch. Keep sticking it out until the next time I do one.